President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has lauded the solidarity of the Economic Community of Central African States on the political impasse in Niger Republic. The federal government has insisted that no federal university is allowed to charge tuition fees in the country. U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken says he has spoken to President Bola Tinubu about the ongoing situation in Niger. Today is Wednesday, 16th of August 2023. I am Musnat Numan Habib with the full text of the news. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has lauded the solidarity of the Economic Community of Central African States (ECAS) on political impasse in Niger Republic. This was contained in a statement issued by the Special Advisor to the President on Media and Publicity, Ajuri Ngalale, on Tuesday in Abuja. According to the statement, Tinubu spoke when he received the Special Envoy of President Ali Bongo Ondimba and the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Gabon, Herman Immonogot, at the State House in Abuja on Tuesday. Tinubu noted that the special message of support and solidarity from President Ondimba, who doubles as the chairman of ECAS, expressed full support to the ECOWAS resolutions on the unconstitutional takeover of the government in Niger. The statement added that Tinubu also understands the fear of people on any form of military action, adding that ECOWAS is working to keep the sanctions in place and following them to the letter. President Bola Tinubu has reacted to the crash of an aircraft belonging to the Nigerian Air Force in Niger State on Monday. The ill-fated jet was flying from Kaduna to Niger State when the incident happened. In a statement, Tinubu saluted the bravery and commitment of the officers involved. Vice President Kashim Shettima on Tuesday received some executives of Google at the Presidential Villa Abuja. Shettima also lauded the 1.2 million naira grant provided by the technology giant for the support of the Tinubu administration's 1 million jobs initiative. According to the Vice President, the announcement of the grant was commendable and worthy of emulation by other companies. Speaking about the potential of Nigeria's young population, Shettima said unique opportunities to harness the potential of our huge youth population to create millions of jobs in the digital sector. The federal government has insisted that no federal university is allowed to charge tuition fees in the country. The Permanent Secretary Minister of Education, Mr. David Adejo, said this at a public hearing by the House of Representatives Ad Hoc Committee on Student Loans in Abuja. Adejo said that the recent increase in the charges by federal universities in the country was unfortunate. He faulted claims that the signing of the Student Loan Act was responsible for some of the hike in the university charges. Adejo said that President Bola Tinubu had given a directive that all necessary works must be completed on the modalities for the take-off of the scheme to enable its take-off in September. The chairman of the committee, Tasir Obo, said the student loan was part of the palliatives by the federal government to alleviate the suffering of Nigerians and to ensure access to higher education by interested Nigerians. The Chief of Army Staff Lieutenant General Taoreed Labaja has assured that the military will in a few weeks launch an aggressive operation against recalcitrant bandits in the northwest. Labaja, who gave the assurance during a visit to the governor of Zamfara State, Dauda Lawal, said the activities of bandits could no longer be tolerated, adding that enough is enough for the bandits. The governor's spokesperson Suleiman Idris said in a press statement on Tuesday that his principal and the army chief had a closed-door meeting during which key important security issues were discussed. Zamfara is one of the epicenters of banditry, where the violent group kills, kidnaps, and displaces residents. Katsina State Governor Malam Dikko Umar Radda on Tuesday presided over the swearing-in ceremony of 4 High Court judges. The 4 new judges included Nuruddin Abdulmumini, Halima Lawan Bagiwa, Abdullahi Bara'u Faskari, and Ma'aruf Amiru Sanusi. According to Radda, their exceptional records of professionalism, unwavering dedication, and integrity justified their appointment through a rigorous and meticulous selection process. Also, speaking at the occasion, Rada issued a decisive directive to the State Administration of Criminal Justice Monitoring and Coordination Committee, mandating them to ensure the proper handling of all criminal cases. Governor Dauda Lawan of Zamfara State has approved the appointment of Ali Akil Muhammad Bungudu as the Accountant General of the state, while Alhaji Salis Idris Shehu was named the Deputy Accountant General. The appointments were contained in an official announcement on Tuesday, signed by the Secretary of the State Government, Malam Abubakar Nakwada. The statement from the spokesperson to the Governor, Suleiman Bala Idris, disclosed that Ali Akil is a seasoned banker with many years of experience. The appointment of Ali Akil is in line with Governor Dauda Lawal's commitment to ensure for the best hands in the rescue mission. Bungudu is an accomplished banker with over 20 years of working experience in operations, marketing, public sector government revenue collection, retail banking, and international banking. The Yobe State's House of Assembly has released a timetable for the screening of the commissioner nominees. The Speaker of the House, Right Honorable Chiroma Buba Mashio, announced this while speaking at a plenary session on Tuesday. According to the Speaker, the first batch of the nominees, which include Mohammed Garba Gagio, Engineer Usman Ahmed Bururu, Yajalo Badama, Ibrahim Adamu Jajeri, Ali Mustafa, Aji Yerima Bularafa, Mohammed Abacha, and Sidi Yakubu Karaswa will be screened on Wednesday, August 16, 2023. He added that the second batch of the nominees who will be screened on Thursday, August 17th are Abdullahi Begu, Barrister Salih Samanja, Barma Shatima, Engineer Umar Wakili Dudaye, Muhammad Lawangana, Ahmed Buba, Abba Kyari, Yusuf Umar Potiskum, and Kaigama Umar Yunusari. The Speaker called on the nominees to come along with their curriculum vitae for the screening exercise. Bandits have attacked a secondary school in the Riom local government area of Plateau State and killed 2 teachers. It was learned that the victims were a newly married couple who were teaching at the Beko Comprehensive Secondary School in the Kui local community of the local government. Eyewitnesses said the incident happened on Monday afternoon when the teachers were holding a meeting to compile results of students ahead of the school speech and prize giving day coming up on Friday. A youth leader in the community, Moses God, who confirmed the killings to newsmen in Jos, said that the bandits also wounded other teachers, including the vice principal of the school. The National Secretary of the Berum Youth Molders Association, Ruang Tiongwang, also confirmed the attack in a statement on Tuesday, calling on the authorities to ban open grazing in the community so as to forestall future occurrence. The police public relations officer in the state, Alfred Alabo, could not be reached for the comment on his phone. Niger's military-appointed Prime Minister made an unannounced visit to the neighboring Chad on Tuesday as West African states set talks for mulling possible military intervention to reverse his country's coup, and the United States and Russia urged a diplomatic solution to the crisis. Ali Mohammed Lamin Zain, a civilian appointed by the military rulers who ousted Nigerian President Mohamed Bazoum on July 26, arrived in Chad for a working visit, the Chadian government said on Facebook. In a statement issued after meeting Chadian President Mohamed Idris Deby, Zain, he said, brought a message of good neighborliness and good fraternity from the head of Niger's regime. And now the headlines. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has lauded the solidarity of the Economic Community of Central African State on the political impasse in the Niger Republic. The federal government has insisted that no federal university is allowed to charge tuition fee in the country.